Hey, good morning, folks. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Well, we have our first, what I would call widespread accumulating snow on the way from Michigan. Notice I didn't use the word heavy because, well, long story short, I think it's probably a 1 to 2 inch snow widespread across almost all the state except for maybe just a little sliver of southeast lower Michigan. I'll show that to you in just a moment. So let's get to it. And today we have fairly quiet weather in most of lower Michigan. We still do have some showers and some snow showers northern lower Michigan. And then you see light, drizzle, misty showers moving through southern lower Michigan. But that won't be a whole lot of precipitation, and it could even have some flakes of snow mixed in there. Good morning, Lake Orion, and good morning, Brandon Brown. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Thanks for joining me on the MLive Morning Weather Update. Best thing you can do for me is hit that share button and say, check out, here's the weather update. And we're getting right into it here. Okay, so here's our radar forecast for today. And I think what you'll get out of this is that the shower activity through Saginaw, Bay City, Flint, Alma, maybe the Lansing area, the Thumb, is pretty scattered. The shower activity in northern lower, Traverse City to Gaylord to the Bridge, that's fairly widespread with some snow mixed in there. And as we go into early afternoon, things are winding down as far as precipitation. So you do have a fairly dry afternoon, southern lower. And what does this pattern look like? Cold air and lake effect? Yes, it does. Lake effect, rain and snow showers. We are at the time of the year where the rain showers can come in too off of Lake Michigan. So it's not always necessarily snow, but this pattern just reeks of scattered bands of lake effect snow. Look at these bands coming off of Lake Superior. So if they don't shift a whole lot, you can pick up an inch or two of snow pretty quickly. Oh, Kimberly Klink wants a blizzard. We're gonna wait on the blizzard part, okay? All right, so here is our computer model to show you what's going on as we go into the future. We'll go into tomorrow morning, and it's pretty quiet weather tomorrow. And then here comes our first accumulating snow. And this is a great reminder of what snow systems look like in Michigan. See the low pressure center down here in Ohio? Remember, your snow, hey, we'll give Chemical Bank a plug. Your snow, and can you tell I've been re-roofing my garage? Your snow is on the northern side of the center of the low pressure. So if you get a low pressure center in the winter and now that comes into, I always say Toledo or central Ohio, then lower Michigan is in that snow. So that's this is Friday morning. Okay? That means that at the Friday morning rush hour, yeah, we could have some snow in. Here is the low pressure center. This is snow. Now, again, with a northeast wind, warm air coming off of Lake Huron, we can get some rain to mix in there, especially since it's coming in the middle of the day. So that's why I think it's going to be tough to have a lot of snow. It's going to be snowing, and the warmth is going to eat away at the snow, and that's what keeps it to an inch or two widespread across the state. You like the chemical banking pen? Okay, that's cool. All right, so let me keep going. Friday afternoon, Friday evening, Friday night. Here is what I call lake-induced low-pressure trough. That means that the colder air got over Lake Superior, caused this bend in the pressure pattern, and as that swings down, that's another burst of some snow shower activity into Saturday. Does the snow forecast include Michigan, Indiana border? Close. Depends on where you're at. So here is that snow forecast, okay? This is in the next 2 days, and you could see an inch or two up in the snow belts of Northwest Lower and across the UP. Then we go into Thursday night. Now we're at Friday morning, 8 o'clock. Yes, snowing is a good call. So that's 8 o'clock. Snow just starting to accumulate. This is by 1 in the afternoon. Okay. And I see some better models that show a little more accumulation in here, which I think probably will happen. But, you know, we're looking at Friday afternoon, Friday night. I'm going to call this a 1 to 2 inch snow here and a 2 to 3, maybe 4 inch snow in the northern part of lower Michigan. And then we go into Saturday, not much going on. And we go into next week as the next cold blast hits. We've got your telltale signs of lake effect developing on the west side of the state. So we're talking it turned real wintry real fast here, folks, or it's going to, I should say. There'll be a big change in the feel and the look of the weather from the time today to the time we get to the end of Friday. So today is just spritzels, no travel problems. We got to switch our talks even now, don't we, on weather? It's based on travel problems versus, you know, thunderstorms, or is it hot or sunshine or whatnot. Now we have to go to each day, does it have a travel problem? Today, really no major travel problems in the southern part of lower Michigan. Tomorrow, a quiet day across almost all of Michigan. And then the widespread, we'll call it light, accumulating snow. And in the southeast, I did want to show you that because the one exception could be right down in here, you know, right in the far southeast. It may stay mostly rain and not get a whole lot of accumulation. But somebody asked about the Michigan-Indiana border. Yeah, I would say it's a 1 or 2 inch snow. So there you have it, folks. Thanks for sharing this MLive weather update. I'm Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa, and here we go. The fun 6 months of the year, trying to figure out what falls out of the clouds here in Michigan. I'll keep you updated on MLive. Stay tuned.